Vegetarian keeps eating chicken. Drunk vegetarian. Drunk vegetarian's eating chicken. You're eating chicken. You're gonna regret this tomorrow.
I have breadsticks for you.
How do you feel about the chicken nugget? You love chicken? Oh, chicken and breadsticks. Oh, is that?
Chicken and breadsticks.
Chicken and breadsticks.
Where'd the egg go?
Chicken and breadsticks.
Yeah.
Wait, she's eating the chicken and the breadsticks
At
together.
once. Put all that in your mouth at once. Show us what you got. Show us what you got. Dancing with your chicken. Dancing with your chicken. Do my.
I'm still making the mac and cheese. The loyal sister making her food still. The loyal sister who picked that bitch up.
Try.
Logan, let's get out the milk.
Oh wait, I don't think that's how
That's
it
for
ends.
me, not for you.